Spin, 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 move.
Three of the four Filipino boxers who saw action in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics went home with medals around their necks. Philippine Olympic Committee President Bambol Tolentino is hopeful that the squad will be able to duplicate or even surpass this feat, starting with their training camp here in Metz and their sparring sessions in Germany. The three Olympic medalists from Tokyo are all back for more. But an additional challenge will await Yumir Marshall and Carlo Paalam as they will now be competing in higher weight divisions. Still, President Tolentino is hopeful about their chances.
We might surpass the boxing medals last Tokyo Olympics with this kind of preparation. Kita nyo naman, alas kompleto. Kaya tinitingnan natin yung tama ba, okay ba ang training nila dito. Then may sparring pa sila to 1 week to Germany, then balik dito ulit. So maganda ang preparation ng boxing, hindi lang boxingero, lahat ng Paris bound.
Starting their camp in Metz, the boxing team will now be split into groups with Paalam, Marshall, and Hergy Bacquiada moving to Germany for sparring sessions.
Tama yun, no? 1 hour away kasi nandun ata yung ibang atleta, no, ng ibang bansa. So sila rin yung maglalaban doon. Yung iba pupunta, yung iba maiwan dito, no?
With Paalam, Marshall, and Hergy Bacquiada moving to Germany for sparring sessions. While Nessie Petesio and Ira Villegas are staying in Metz and will have sparring partners flown in from the Philippines. The POC remains committed in giving the boxers everything they need to hunt for the gold in Paris.
So parang kulang pa eh. Alam din nila yun na parang kulang pa yung Tokyo nila, no? So this is it, no? Dito sila mabawi.
From Metz, France, Carlo Pamintuan.